Hello, this is Angel Technohub Solution. We are in the field of industrial training with various sensors. Actually, we are doing the hands-on skill development programs, different workshops. Our company is Angel Technohub Solutions. This is our own trainer kit. It's very useful for the students, professional, any training centers, any corporate training centers. We can convert into some AWS or Microsoft Azure IoT. Likewise, here the kit has all interface available. Little bit we have made user friendly because what happens if you are doing some experiments on electronics. Actually, this kit is having different types of inputs, output, analog, digital devices. Let's start from the introduction. This is display unit. This is potentiometer, which indicates the analog quantities. Now this is the IR sensor. This is IR module. This is LDR module. This is ultrasonic sensor. Now this is a PIR sensor. Next you can connect a L298 bridge, H bridge circuit, which is used for motor driver, double motor. This is servo motor. This is a magnetic process sensor. This is soil sensor. This is DHT11 sensor. This is a relay interface unit. And this is a main power supply unit. The PCB contains ESP32 and Arduino interface. You can interface any sensor directly, plug and play. Actually, this interface is very useful for the students and hobbyists so that they can do directly experiments hands on. Now, you can check that this this is the roadmap for the interface. Now you can look that temperature, soil, IR, LDR, P3, P4, P1, P2, trigger, echo, SDA, SCL, servo, relay, and again the protocol I2C. So naturally we are connecting to right side. From right side there is STAL and SCLL. So you can connect this directly connector. So these are the control signals. You connect to this line. Okay. Now next line you connect to this line and connect to this line. Now if the signal is, suppose you have to reset this microcontroller now. Now in this case you can check it is correct or not. Suppose it is not showing the character, already the programming is dumped in ESP32. So I will just reverse this. Look, the project is started. So this is the beauty of this trainer kit. So by connecting this all sensor, these are the jumper wires. So you can put the jumper wires to ESP32 by definite ports. The port map is given in the user manual, and after connecting you can connect this all sensor by logical connection. All the remaining supply connections are done properly. So if anybody is interested for conducting the seminar workshop on the engineering college, please contact Angel Technohub Solution. We'll show the website here. So this is our website. This is our gallery. So different projects we are conducting. This is about our company. These are the services we are conducting. So the ESP32 is connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Wi-Fi password is already given in the code. You can dump the code. The experiment list is given. All the experiments are given. After that, the IoT is connected to ThinkSpeak. So directly you can plug and play the ThinkSpeak data. So likewise, you can connect all the sensors in the same input panels directly. Here are some different panels also connected. So these are all interconnected with banana connector. So this is the trainer kit. If you want the trainer kit in the quantity, contact me, Angel Technohub Solutions. Thank you.